I'm Senator Beth Syengo, specially elected by ODM. I come from Kitui County. On 8th of this month, we have a very significant day, the Women International Day. And the message is very important to have more women empowered, more women in leadership, more women on the decision-making table. So I would urge women to come out in large numbers on the celebration day. And as they are celebrating at different counties, at different levels, it is important to carry the message for more women to be in leadership, more women to be elected, more women to be appointed, more women to sit on the decision-making table. Yes, as women, we are celebrating because we have made strides going forward. Women numbers have grown even in leadership. You may take simple examples during the last elections here, during last year's election. We got more women elected as senators, more women got into single constituencies and MCAs. And I want to applaud. It is important to have two-thirds gender rule actualized. Actually, in the Senate, I have come up with a motion on actualization of two-thirds gender rule. And I'm happy also the president is pushing for the same. And he has promised to make it work for two-thirds gender rule to be actualized in Kenya. This is important. As we celebrate, let's look at each other as a sister and we become sisters keeper.